Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. Alright, so all we have to do actually is to find the app which was pre-installed by your developer, and the app is called PhoneManager. So as I said, for sure you've got one, just find it and then tap on it. Here we've got this option, viruses and risks, so let's tap on it, and now your device will basically scan itself in order to check any kind of malware, any kind of viruses, any kind of problems, and all of that kind of stuff. And basically after that it will show you the results. Of course, preferably everything will be alright, so you will have this information, but if your device will find something which is potentially risky or dangerous, then it will show you the information about it, obviously, but it will also show you a way of how to get rid of that risks. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.